coming later on, possibly some thunderstorms. Alright, hasn't started raining or storming yet, but man, I'm leaving Home Depot here in Benton Harbor. Look at that frickin' truck, man. Man. I mean, whatever works. Alright, it just rained a little bit. It's not raining right now, but it got super windy. Lines are shaking a little bit. Yeah. I don't know if you see those things on that tower swaying or not, but yeah. It's crazy. Working on this house right now. I had to park my truck on the other side of the street because I had a trailer. Yeah. Alright, just north of the Benton Harbor, St. Joe area. We got some more dark clouds in front of us. Got some behind us too. I don't know how well you guys could tell, but yeah. Right now it's still super windy. You can see that truck and trailer right there. Kind of getting blown a little bit. It's kind of blowing me around somewhat. Man, I completely missed it. There was a couple lightning bolts past this row of trees. I mean, it's not really raining right now. I'm just driving on a wet road, and you know, water's kind of floating everywhere from everybody driving on the wet road. So I'm just kind of coming up to where Palisades Power Plant and Covert Generating Plant are, which is what that smoke is up ahead. So, yeah. We're kind of getting into it. I started seeing some more lightning bolts. Then, yeah. Oh, I missed it, dang it. I think that's a wall cloud right now. Yeah, that is. Holy crap. That's insane. I think we got some hail. Yep, that's hail. Shit. I should have got off at that exit I just passed. Oh boy. Yep. That's hail, alright. Ah, son of a bitch. Please don't crack my windshield. Ah, damn it. That is insane. Oh man, don't crack my windshield, please. I can barely see. Oh, windows are getting fogged. Shit. Froster on. Okay. Ooh, not good, not good, not good. Not seeing as much hail, but still see some. Oh my gosh. Ah, damn it. Fucking road work. Turn the radio down. Thank you. Whoa. Damn, dude. And fix your brake light, by the way. I almost want to try and find something to fall off next to, but there really isn't anything after you leave South Haven. Yeah, listen to that. Okay, I'll go live on Facebook for a little bit. Didn't really dent anywhere on my truck, but a little spot right here. Right here as well, and there. Yeah, that was from the hail. Yeah, most of the dark clouds are to the west. More south of us as well. I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be two storms combining, but I don't know. Well, it is the next morning now, and looks like we woke up to one of the storms. Yeah, look at that. It's raining pretty good right now. I guess today they are saying that there could be possible tornadoes. Guess we'll see if that actually happens. Yeah, according to this Facebook page that I follow, Michigan Storm Chasers, apparently a tornado watch is in effect for portions of central and lower Michigan until 4 p.m., including Allegan, Barry, Bay, Berrien, Branch, Calhoun, Cass, Clinton, Eaton, Genesee, Gratiot, or however you pronounce that, Hillsdale, Huron, Ingham, Ionia, Isabella, Jackson, Kalamazoo, Kent, Lapeer, Lenawi, Livingston, Macomb, Mecosta, Midland, Monroe, Montcalm, Oakland, Ottawa, Saginaw, Sinaloa or Sinalock, however you say that, Shiawassee, St. Clair, St. Joseph, Tuscola, Van Buren, Washina, and Wayne. Yeah. pretty much the entire lower peninsula and parts of central, or not lower peninsula, but lower part of Michigan and central Michigan is under the watch, and then looks like most of northern Indiana and parts of northwest Ohio is dealing with it too. So, yeah. This is gonna be an interesting day. And the worst of it hasn't even hit yet, so holy crap, look at that driveway, man. And look at where that truck's parked too. Holy crap. Jeez. Holy crap. It's raining pretty good. Look at the frickin' driveway and the yard. Well, you can't see the yard too well, but that is nothing but a frickin' mud pit right now. Oh crap, I can't see it with my other device. Here, move my tablet for a sec. Oops. Yeah. Holy crap. Oh, let's pick up a little bit. That train's moving a little slow. Probably taking precaution. I know sometimes in weather like this, trains move a little slower. Good grief, look at all those mud puddles. That is insane. Jeez, look at that. This ought to be an interesting drive. I gotta run and go pick up my uncle. So, let's see how this goes. Look at this river. Yep, that's flooded too. Damn. Dang. Can't even go that fast either because tire tracks on the road are nothing but frickin' mud puddles. Like, damn. Holy crap. Wow. Oh, that was insane. Crap, that branch looks like it could come down. Wow. That was insane. Jeez. Look at that. Debris all over the road from trees. Holy crap, look at that over there. Oh shoot, hold on. Look at those clouds, man. That is insane. Okay, I gotta back up. Do some more running. Right now I'm just on my way to a place over by Dowagic to pick up a few things. It's not raining as hard as it was earlier. It actually stopped for a little while, but it's picking back up. But right now, which it's a little after 1:30 now, but we are under a tornado watch. Haven't received any warnings yet, but there's a tornado watch in effect. Crap, I forgot about this huge one that's up here. Not sure if you guys saw that truck splash through it in the distance. Holy crap, man. I hate to say it, but they should probably close that off. We're only supposed to get more rain until like 6. And look at some of that debris on the ground. And then at this hill coming up, there's a bit of like flooded water going down the road. Still kind of is. Look at those trash cans tipped over. Yeah. This road was like kind of a flooded waterfall earlier. This entire area right here is flooded from where the truck is sitting all the way to that red barn. Flooded. That is insane. Flooded spot right here. Okay, it's later on in the day now. Tornado watch is pretty much over, so is most of the thunderstorms. A lot of the mud is kind of fading away, thankfully. Some spots still, but oh well. Look at the clouds and that sunset. Let's move over. That is beautiful. Oh, come on, focus. Here we go. Beautiful.